Meaning of Eagle Scout.
Eagle Scout.
Eagle Scout.
Eagle Scout.
Eagle Scout. Eagle Scout is the highest rank attainable in the Boy Scouts of America program. To earn this rank, a scout must demonstrate excellence in leadership, service, and outdoor skills through a series of requirements and projects. The title holds great prestige and is widely recognized, with only a small percentage of scouts achieving this rank. Eagle Scouts are known for their strong character, commitment to community service, and ability to lead and inspire others. Overall, becoming an Eagle Scout is a significant achievement that demonstrates dedication, hard work, and leadership skills.